Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Binance versus Mudrex. Binance is a global powerhouse, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features for experienced users. Mudrex, on the other hand, focuses on simplifying crypto investing through automated strategies and managed portfolios. Your choice depends on whether you prefer hands-on trading or a more automated approach to your investments. Binance boasts a comprehensive suite of trading options, including spot, futures, and margin trading, catering to diverse strategies. Mudrex excels in automated investing, providing access to various trading bots and managed portfolios designed by experts. While Binance offers a broader ecosystem with features like NFTs and launchpads, Mudrex focuses on making algorithmic trading accessible to everyone. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of smart strategies, just like you plan your investments, why not plan your meals? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. When it comes to fees, Binance typically offers lower trading fees, especially for high-volume traders, with discounts for using their native token. Mudrex's fee structure often involves a performance fee on profits or a monthly subscription for access to strategies. Both platforms provide intuitive mobile applications, ensuring you can manage your crypto assets and trades conveniently from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.